Okay, so we were doing this earlier with the scissoring, give me an angle 1. So we were doing the scissoring drill, right? Angle 2, right? 3. So this is our scissoring drill, right? And all we're doing really is we're attacking the stick, we're attacking the hand, right? And really technically, whenever we're doing any kind of stick drill at all, we're always hitting the hands, right? That's the real goal. But if we hit the hand, of course, the drill stops, right? Okay, so that's the drill we're doing, is the scissoring. All right, so now we're gonna take this into empty hands. Here's what I want you guys to do and figure out, okay? So when the scissoring, if he comes in and he punches, this is a scissoring right here, scissoring motion, right? So I'm gonna scissor here, right here. I can scissor right here, I can scissor right here, I can scissor right here. Okay, so those are all my targets. So now I want you guys to get is when he punches this, if I scissor here, we can continue to close the scissor, okay? And then we open the scissor, and we keep playing with that variation, okay? But I want you guys to know that the scissoring is pretty much everywhere in what we do. If he punches again and I address it this way, this is a scissoring form, okay? When I go outside, this is a scissoring form, okay? Everything's coming in a cutting and opening motion. If I get over the top here, and now I'm here, now I can close my scissor this way, right? If I get over the top here, and again, which way can I close my scissor? I close it this way, right? If I get in on the inside on the scissor, now I want to do a vertical scissor going this way. And these are where our throws are coming from, right? So again, when we're doing these drills, scissoring with sticks, I want you guys to find where they are as it applies to empty hands, okay? And all it is again, is this motion to this motion, right? So again, I'm playing around. I strike here, right? I can open this up and open this up this way, all right? And then again, continue my scissoring, right? Closing and opening. If I close this way, it goes down this way, right? So whatever I do, I can find something along the way, okay? So I want you guys to play with it. Enter, scissor, close, and open, all right?